Hello everyone, this is Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to purchase and download printable files on Etsy. If you've never ordered printable files on Etsy, this will be good information for you to use. First, you want to make sure that you log into Etsy on a browser, not through the Etsy app. You can purchase files on Etsy app using your phone or other device, but you won't be able to download them unless you log in. So type in www.etsy.com and log in to your account. If you have multiple Etsy accounts, be sure to log into the correct one. Many customers have been unable to locate files because they checked out as a guest without logging in, or they logged into an account that they no longer use. Once logged in, search for the item that you want, or for the shop that you want. Choose your item, look through the pictures, and read the descriptions. Also, pay attention to any copyright information or terms of use. Be sure to read the listing information. Here you will find things such as the file type, the dimensions, and other useful information. When you've decided on the item that you want, add it to your cart. When you go to your cart, you can add a coupon code. You can also go back to the shop that you were visiting and add more items. When you have all of the items that you want, complete your purchase. It may take a while for Etsy to process your payment, but after your payment has been processed, you will be able to access your files. To access your printable files, go to You and click on Purchases and Reviews. Then click Download Files. If you are on a phone or mobile device, click the arrow next to your purchase and click Download Files. Scroll down to find the files and download. Complete the download. To find your downloaded files, click the arrow in the top right corner. Keep in mind your phone or device may look or work differently than the example shown here. Your files may take a while to download depending on how large they are. Once you've downloaded them, be sure to save the files to your computer to ensure future access. Thanks for watching, everyone.